March 26, first pickup. Yeah, KFC Caltex, Green Hills. Pangalawang pickup. Ayan, Green Hills, Wellness. Pangatlo, pickup, Starbucks, Green Hills. Pang-apat na pickup, Coco, Green Hills. Pang-limang pickup, McDonald's, Madison. Pang-anim na pickup, dito ulit sa KFC. Ayan, Green Hills. Pang-pito, McDonald's, Green Hills. Pang-walo, Marugame Udon, Green Hills. Pang-siyam, ayan, Barbecue Shacks. Ano pala sa dulo? Pang-sapong pickup pala, Shawarma Shack, Shaw Center Mall, Mandaluyong. Pang-11, Chowking Acacia Lane, Mandaluyong. Pang-12, Potato Corner, Pure Gold. Pure Gold Shop. Pang-13 pickup, Chicken Chingo dito sa loob. Lumagpas nga lang ako. Pang-14, McDonald's Show, katapat ng JR. Ayan, naka-14 tayo ngayong March 26. So, next week naman.